and we're gonna shoot for our magazine. Defended and booked by them!
Hey there guys, good morning. Right now it's 5:50 and I'm just waiting for my ride. Nag-book lang ako ng Move It and today it's D-Day guys. It's our defense day, final defense. And guys, after a long work sa thesis paper namin, I think parang almost 1 year na since first sem hanggang ngayong third sem. So sana guys, this is defended. Call time namin guys sa school is 6:30 and sobrang hirap kasi mag-book tuwing umaga dito. So, ngayon pa lang ako nakapag-book and ngayon pa lang may nag-accept sa akin. Guys, I don't know. Pero hindi ako ganun kinakabahan. Pero feeling ko later. Pero alam mo yun guys, ina-overthink ko na yung magiging defense namin. Pero sana talaga guys, naging thesis defended and if papalaran, no revisions. Pero okay lang minor, pero mas okay din if no revisions, right? Pero pinaka-goal talaga is ma-defend namin tong thesis na to since sobrang dami namin pinagdaanan and everything. So, hopefully, in God's grace. I'll see you guys later. I'll try if I can vlog. Pero sana, hopefully. So, see you guys later.
Baka may magpapaplancha.
Baka may magpapaplancha dyan. Buhok.
Duwet niya.
Ay! Dinaig pa namin ang mga paano. May isa pa kami, ang grupo namin, isang magka-Coachella, isang pupunta ng beach.
Coachella Day 2.
Pupunta ako ng beach. Isang pupunta ng beach. Tapos, isang
Meron pa
libero.
akong ano.
Meron pa akong kliyente. Akala talaga ako. Parang may reward naman tayo na flood control projects and their role in shaping public political discourse.
Our study examines how FTTME functions as a tool of communication in constructing, circulating, and negotiating socio-political meaning about the 2025 flood control projects. We aim to understand how memes, often seen as humor, actually serves as platform for political communication. For our research objectives, we had 3 objectives. First is to identify
Guys, it's our turn next. Go, Julia! Kami na yung next, guys. Wish us luck. And I'm not sure, hindi pwede mag-vlog inside, but I'll give you update after our defense. Sana thesis defended. Manifesting.
Ladies and my fellow brilliant researchers, thank you for your presence here today. It is my privilege to present the findings of our study entitled Ang Sigaw ng Bayan Pananagutan.
examines how FTTMEs function as tool of communication in constructing, circulating, and negotiating social political meanings about the 2025
Social semiotics theory, which explain how meanings is constructed through modes such as text, image, and humor, and how these elements work together to create social commentary.
Initially collected 77 memes, then through a 3-stage process, we narrowed this down to 24 memes. And from that, we gathered their first 10 to 15 comments, which makes up 355 comments in total. While in short
culture, Filipinos have always used humor to cope and to speak truth to power. Lara et al. 2025 and Ansheta 2017 both confirm that laughter is not just for fun. It is also how we comment on serious issues.
Sa tulong ng mga memes na ito, ang sigaw ng bayan para sa pananagutan ay nabibigyan ng pagkakakilanlan at nakliwan. Nagpapatunay ito na ang mga memes ay hindi lamang isang piraso ng nakakatawang media, kundi isang nakatagong armas ng mga modernong Pilipino laban sa korupsyon at katiwalian na meron sa ating sistema. Once again, we are Group 6 ang Sagot ng Bayan Pananagutan, a critical discourse and semiotic analysis of FTTM memes on the 2025 Philippine flood control projects and their role in shaping public political discourse, representing not only our group and our study, but also our fellow Filipinos.
Hi guys!
1, 2, 3, go.
Thesis defended! No revision!
Guys, nasa DJ Pub class kami right now and gagawan kami ng activity ni Miss, which is magazine, pitch. Magazine topic pitch. Tapos guys, ginawan ko ng article si Jai. And bawal kami mag-vote. Right now, hindi ko alam kung nagme-make sense ba yung ginawa kong article kasi hindi ko naman mula sa tamang pag-iisip and wala akong creative juices right now. Tapos rush pa. But I made it. How about you, Yuna?
I made it, guys. Ginawan ko yung sarili ko.
Ginawa niya ng article yung sarili niya, guys. And yung topic niya is
Art of Hukay. Creates a style one rock at a time. Yes!
Hey, ano yung grammar niya?
Model yun, guys. Model.
Guys, it's Jaira. Our class is done at may kasama tayong magaling mambudol. Napadrip copy po ako kasi walang barya yung binala namin pagkain. So, I need to buy drinks para mabariyahan yung money. At kami ang first customer ni ate. Let me judge. Parang siyang samyup. Guys, this is so good. I ordered peach twist. At ngayon na po kami magpapa-picture sa photo booth ng Coke. After makahingi ng freebie ni Julia. Guys, this is so good. Zero sugar. Guys, nakapagpa-photo booth na kami. Yung problem is, hinati na namin. Kasi dalawa lang yung copies. So, hinati na lang namin. And yung isa kay Julia since last time. Wala naman si Julia. So, sa kanya yung isang strip. Sa amin, hinati-hati namin.
Yeah.
And
Cute
that's
size
it.
na, guys.
Cute size lang. Parang 1 by 1 lang. Sana pala ginawa namin nagpa-retake na lang or nagpa-picture ulit kami. Pwede pala yan. And that's it for the Coca-Cola photo booth. Yeah! Hey there guys! So today it's May 23, it's Saturday, and right now it's 6:43 p.m. And nandito kami ngayon sa Ilviso Studio sa Makati, malapit sa Salcedo. And we're gonna shoot for our magazine, e-magazine, as a major requirement sa isa naming subject, which is DG Pop. And right now, apat pa lang kaming nandito, and it's 6:43 p.m. na guys. 7 p.m. tapos 2 hours lang yung rent namin dito sa studio. We're waiting for our group mates, yung iba naming group mates. And then, magpuproceed na kami sa pag-shoot ng mabilisan talaga, literal ng ngarag. And right now guys, I'm fixing the flowers para sa damit, sa wardrobe nung isushoot namin, yung model namin for our main cover. And sobrang exciting guys, since ako yung nag-fix ng wardrobe niya. And I don't know if magagawa ko ba yung na-visualize, I mean, na-visualize or na-imagine ko, pero I hope so. And sana maging successful tong magazine namin. Oh, I'm gonna cut the flowers. I'm super excited kasi ang ganda yung gagawin namin. So, let's go!
photo director, our cameraman, our everything. Yes, Arjuna, the leader of the art department. Yes, June. Naging coffee. Carla's contract signing. Just go. Ba't di mo alam? Pirma mo, te. Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Marla, hindi pa yung diploma mo.
May kodigo pa siya.
Wait na, nakalimutan ko yung pirma ko eh.
Kodigo ba?
Yung dulo, AI. Oo, AI.
Bibili mo kalaki yun. Mamaya na. Gusto ko mag-try yun.
Ako pero parang maganda yung ballpen mo. Parang walang defense ko. Walang defense ko. Pero ako.
Meron pa tayo, babe. AI deck lang. Guys, gano'n naman kakapal.
Uy, April 7
Withdraw
lang.
lang.
Ay, hindi. Sakto lang. Sakto naman.
Sige yung nga, ganito kakapal yung filibusterismo.
Iba lang.
Rizal who? Kasi paglalag kayo. Pwede na lang sana ulit.
Yeah. Hi guys. Last contract signing. Ito na siya. Taray. Pangit. Di yan. Tignan nyo naman po pag pinagpatong, gano'ng kakapal. Grabe ba? For reference. Ay, wait. Hindi pa natin na makikita yung ganitong angle. Yes.
For reference, ito iPhone 14. Ay, taray. Oo nga na. Kasi yung kapal niya na.
Ito.
Sakto-sakto.
Oo.
Isang cellphone yan, guys. Isang cellphone yan. I-upload mo.
Okay guys, where's your book bag?
Ito no, di ba? Ito ako guys, so nandiyan.
Huwag sa bawal.
Go. Defended and book baged!
Dapat magtabi kayo.
Show your baby!
Yan. 1, 2, 3.
Dun, 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 dun.
Julie, walang pro! Be, human drone!